In our last post, we explained the role of the prepared environment in the process of normalization of the child. In this post, we explain the next prerequisite, which is the child's freedom to choose work in this prepared environment and the inner guide that leads the child to make choices that match her developmental needs. What is this inner guide? Simply put, the child chooses material that is just above their current level of competence. Thus, this is most optimal for their current stage of learning. This ability holds true for adults also. In our next post, we will explain the set of reactions displayed by a child who is given the freedom to choose work in a prepared environment. These reactions we call human tendencies in the Montessori philosophy.